Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be baking some healthy and delicious multigrain cookies. Let's have a look at our ingredients. 80 grams butter, 100 grams powder sugar, 2 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 cup maida, 1/4 cup wheat flour, 1/4 cup ragi flour, 1/4 cup rice flour, 1/4 cup oats, 2 tablespoon baking powder, chopped dry fruits, 2 tablespoon milk powder, and half cup of mango pulp. We first mix the butter and powdered sugar together. Remember, the butter must be at the room temperature. We make it into a smooth and fluffy paste. Now, we add in the mango pulp and mix it well together. It gives a beautiful color. Now, first we add in the ragi flour, then the wheat flour, add in the oats. Now we add the rice flour and the maida. We now add in the milk powder, the cardamom powder, and the baking powder. Add in the chopped dry fruits and mix it well together to make a dough. We knead it into a soft and smooth dough. Place a butter paper on the baking tray. Make small balls from the dough and flatten them to give it a shape. Place the shaped cookies on a baking tray. We bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, or you can also use the cooker method. Enjoy your mango multigrain cookies as a tea time snack. You can also add in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder as a replacement to mango and make chocolate multigrain cookies.